Simple air conditioner maintenance checklist. Simple air conditioner maintenance checklist. Maintaining your air conditioner is essential for its efficiency, longevity, and your comfort. Here is a simple checklist to ensure your AC unit runs smoothly throughout the cooling season. Monthly tasks: check and replace filters. Inspect the air filter monthly and replace it if it's dirty. A clean filter improves air quality and system efficiency. Seasonal tasks: clean the coils. Both the evaporator and condenser coils collect dirt over time. Clean the coils to maintain efficient heat exchange. Inspect and clean the condensate drain. Ensure the condensate drain is not clogged. A blocked drain can cause water damage and affect humidity levels. Check the thermostat settings. Ensure the thermostat is set to a comfortable temperature and functioning correctly. Annual tasks: inspect and clean the fins. The aluminum fins on the condenser and evaporator coils can bend and block airflow. Use a fin comb to clean and straighten them. Check the refrigerant level. Ensure the refrigerant level is correct. Low refrigerant can decrease efficiency and damage the compressor. Inspect the ductwork. Look for leaks or disconnections in the ductwork. Properly sealed ducts improve system efficiency and indoor air quality. Lubricate moving parts. Lubricate the motor and other moving parts to reduce friction and wear. Tighten electrical connections. Inspect and tighten all electrical connections to ensure safe and reliable operation. Inspect the insulation. Check the insulation on the refrigerant lines leading to the house. Replace if it's damaged or missing. By following this simple air conditioner maintenance checklist, you can keep your AC unit in excellent condition, ensuring optimal performance and comfort throughout the cooling season. For more detailed maintenance, or if you encounter any issues, consider scheduling professional service with a trusted provider like Twintech Heating and Cooling.